Hello there. Today, we will show you how to fit Dado on a curved wall using Woodolex. You will need a Woodolex Dado profile, which you can purchase directly from our website. If you need a custom profile, you can use plain Woodolex and shape it with a spindle molder, a CNC machine, or a router. In addition, you will need a cordless screwdriver, an electric heat gun, adhesives such as No More Nails, silicone, or any adhesive compatible with wood, and a few screws. For example, if you are fitting Dado on a plaster wall, use an adhesive that works with both wood and plaster, like grip fill. Begin by drawing a guideline on the wall where the Dado will be fitted. Do not worry if the line is not perfectly straight on the curved section. The flexibility of Woodolex will allow for adjustments during fitting. In this demonstration, I will be using mitre adhesive because it sets quickly. Start with the straight section, applying a few drops of quick-setting glue, and secure it with grip fill or a similar adhesive for extra hold. Position the Dado slightly under the guideline to keep the line visible. When you reach the curved section, use the heat gun to gently warm up the Woodolex. Hold the heat gun about 10 to 15 centimeters from the material. There is no need to rush or apply force. Continue heating until the Woodolex becomes very flexible. Move the heat gun along the curve, covering a length of about 30 centimeters at a time. Always handle with care to avoid burning your hands and keep adhesive away from the heat. Once the Woodolex becomes flexible, press it firmly against the wall along the curve. You will feel when the material is ready for fitting, as it will bend smoothly without resistance. Continue gluing and pressing. working your way along the curve without using force. We are using an inexpensive 1,600 watts electric heat gun from a local store, which works perfectly for this. There is no need to invest in an expensive model. This one does the job. If necessary, use screws to secure the dado in place, especially on uneven sections or if extra hold is required. Remember, always follow any health and safety procedures and maintain a safe working environment. Continue heating and gluing the Woodolex until it is fully secured along the entire curve. Once done, trim any excess and your project is complete. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful. With Woodolex, you can bend dado to fit any wall curve smoothly. For more projects and tips, visit our website.